Hello, my name is Rahul and I'll be giving a brief about my project, which is a chat application. Currently I'm on the homepage of my application, so I'll be registering as a new user. Name is Rahul, email is rahul@gmail.com and password is ABCD$123 capital L. It won't be accepting simple password, so we need to give it a somewhat complex password. So here we create our account. We don't have any conversations as of now, but we can have a look at our profile. Name is Rahul, it cannot be changed. Email is rahul@gmail.com, which cannot be changed as well, but status can be changed. Let's say good. City is Delhi, and we'll change the profile image as well. Let's have this logo as our profile image, and I'll save the profile. Our profile has been updated, but we need some friends to communicate with. For that, we can use this icon. We can search for the email, but we don't know any email as of now. So I'll be logging in as some other person. I've already created one more account, so I'll be logging in with that. This account opens. It doesn't have any conversations as well, but we can send a friend request to the account that we have just created. We can send the request from here, or we can just have a look at the profile if that's the correct person or not, and we will send a request to that person. We get a notification here which states Nityanand has sent you a friend request. Okay, we will see that it is here in the received folder, so we'll accept that request and the conversation has been generated with him. Same would have happened with his account as well. He has a conversation with Rahul as well. Let's send some messages from this account to that and from that to this one as well. It has changed to the mobile view, so we can just expand and collapse this thing, and let's open the conversation with Nityanand here as well. I send hello and I receive hello in here, and I send hi from there and I receive hi as well. Now let us see the group feature, but before that I have to create some dummy accounts so that I can populate the group. So I have sent some requests to this account from the dummy accounts that I created. I'll accept those requests and conversations will be created for each of these accounts. So I have these 5 conversation friends as of now, and this person also has me as his friend because I just accepted his request. Let us create a group. So we can create a group which has all these persons. Create. It doesn't accept the group because group name cannot be empty. So let's just give it some name, and it creates a group, and we can see that both of these accounts get a notification which states that you have been added to this group, and this would have gotten the same request as well. First notification it gets is Rahul accepted your request. Obviously he did, and then that he has been added to the group. Now let's have a look at the profile of the group. Here's the profile of the group. We can change the profile image of the group. Let's set this as the profile image. We can change the group name, which is something different from the username which we couldn't change. So let's say it's this. Now we can set an about section, so we can say and Rahul is the admin because he is the one who created the group, so he is the admin. And there are other options as well, which is deleting the group, managing, which means adding or removing some of the persons from the group, and saving, and then saving all the details that have been updated from the group. And if I have a look at the group profile from other members perspective, which is let's say from the channel's perspective, he won't be able to do such operations because he's not the admin. So he cannot change the group name, he cannot change the group image, he cannot even set the about section. The only thing he can do is leave the group because he doesn't have any kind of authority in the group. So let's say we just manage the group and we remove Nityanand from the group and see what happens to his account. Let's say we just removed him, so the group just gets vanishes from his account, and he gets a notification that he has been removed from this group. Let's just add him back. We don't want him to be lonely, so we'll add him back, and he again gets a notification that you have been added to this group. Okay, now let me open the Nityanand profile and send him some message. He gets a badge that says that one message is there from Rahul's side which has not been read. So I'll send another message and the badge states that 2 messages are unread. Similarly, if I send some message in this group, we can see the same behavior here as well. Another thing that I would like to mention is we can unfriend the friends as well. So I'll go here and I'll just say that I want to delete him as my friend, and he gets a notification that the person who was his friend, probably Rahul, has unfriended him. So Rahul has been deleted from here. Let's just send him the friend request again. And he gets a friend request and a notification as well. Oh, I don't want to create any group. I'll just accept this request. And one last thing that I would like to mention is the application is totally responsive. If I open the mobile view, we can see that this expandable appears. So sidebar can be expanded and collapsed according to the need. So we can expand and collapse the sidebar. And there's a emoji keyboard as well, so we can choose the emojis that we like. Some commonly used images have been placed here, not all, so we can just send that thing as well and we can see those emojis there. So that was all about my project. Thank you.